After deciding how to calculate the strength of a plate, now we are shifting toward the angle section. It's a single angle section. Then how to calculate the design strength of a single angle section when connected to the gusset plate. We have selected here an unequal angle section of 100 cross 75 cross 8, and the longer leg is connected with a bolt with a gusset plate of 10 mm thickness. Number of bolts are 4 and the diameter of bolt is 18 mm. Definitely D naught will be 18 plus 2, that is 20 mm. Now just to start with, this is the dimension. Outer to outer dimension is 75, outer to outer dimension is 100. This is thickness of 8 mm, this is thickness at 8 mm. The bolt is placed over here and number of bolts are shown over here of the 100 and over. We start with, as usual, with the first part, and before we start we must know the details of the problem so far. Unequal angle section, 100 cross 75 cross 8 mm, diameter of bolt mm, that D, and therefore D naught will be plus 2, that is 20 mm, gusset plate thickness 10 mm. Now area of the cross section of that unequal angle section which has been taken from the steel table, it comes out to be 1338 mm square. With the help of these two data now available with us, we will start calculating the strength due to yielding, that is gross. That is gross. We know the mathematical expression of the gross is TDG is equal to AG into Fy upon gamma m naught, all in Newton and mm square, divided by 1000. You will get the value of TDG in kilonewton. Now AG, that is gross area of cross section, which is already mentioned over here, it is 1338. Fy 250, gamma m naught 1.1 divided by 1000, and you are getting the value of 304.0 kilonewton for TDG. Next part is that we will go for the TDN, that critical, that is rupture. The strength of the angle section for the rupture or critical. This formula is already given in IS code 800-2007, page number 33 perhaps. You get it confirmed, page number 33. Now TDN is equal to 0.9 ANC into Fu upon gamma M1 plus beta times AGO Fy upon gamma M naught. What is ANC? ANC is the net area of a connected leg, and AGO is the gross area of an outstanding leg. O stands for outstanding leg and C stands for the connected leg. Now, when we are calculating the area of the connected leg, then this, this connected leg, this is 100 minus T by 2 minus D naught multiplied by T will give the area of longer leg A net. And now you can see if in my next page over here, that you must have seen that while calculating what I was just thinking about this. Yes, while calculating the net area that you must have seen, I couldn't show you that part over here, that is strength due to the rupture, 0.9 ANC Fu upon under root gamma m1 plus beta times AGO into Fy upon gamma m naught. We will calculate these value of ANC, AGO, beta, and rest of the things are already known, and we can proceed ahead accordingly. Now let us go ahead for using this formula. For beta, the constant, the formula is already given in an IS code also. You can go through that is 1.4 minus 0.076 W upon T Fy upon Fu into Bs upon Lc. Bs upon Lc. First of all, I must say something about these parameters. I need not mention about Fy and Fu. I have to say, I did not mention about the T, the thickness, but I have to give the clarification for the W, Bs and Lc. Okay. Now, the outer leg, right from outer to outer, this outstanding leg is known as the W. And this, when added to this, from center to this, when this added to over here, that we will call Bs. Bs is equal to this distance plus W. That is called Bs. And what is Lc? Center to center distance between the two. Center to center distance between the two. That is 6 into 1, 2 and 3. 60 into 3. That is 180. That will value of Lc. And now, once we know this value, rest of the things can be very easily calculated. Just see, W is given as 75 mm, that is the length of the outstanding leg. T is given as 8 mm, Fy 250, Fu 410, Bs is equal to 75 plus 30.5, that is Cxx. And Lc is nothing but 3 into 60. Center to center between the first and the last bolt, that is called Lc, that is 180. Substituting these value over there, first of all, let us see how to calculate value of net area of a connected leg. The total length of a connected length is 100 minus half the thickness, that is T by 2, minus diameter of a hole, that is 20, multiplied by thickness. That will give the value of ANC, net area of a connected leg. Similarly, about the outstanding leg, we know that outstanding leg is nothing but from here to here minus T by 2 into T. We are only considering the center line. So net area will be 70 minus T by 2 into T, that is 568 mm square, is AGO. Now you know the value of AGO. We'll go for beta. Beta is already given in the code, that is 1.4 minus 0.076. W is already given as 75. T is known. If Y is known, if U is known. Now this is about Bs and Lc. Lc we have already told you, the center to center distance between these two, that is 60 plus 60, that is 3 times 60, that is 180. And Bs is nothing but this plus this distance, that is Bs. If we substitute this value of 180 as the Lc and this is Bs. We can find the beta is 1.141. Substituting the value of this beta over here and all the values are known, we can straight to find out the TDN. It comes out to be 327.41 kilonewton. Now the third part, and which is about the block shear. Third part, which is the block shear. These are the two mathematical expressions. Already were taken into consideration while solving the problem, previous problem so far, and now we'll go for this. Only important thing is just to find out value of AVG, AVN, ATG and ATN. Once these four areas are known to us, rest of the things can be very easily calculated. Now, just see. AVG is nothing but gross area in the longitudinal direction. That is 40 plus 60 plus 60 like this. 40 plus 60 plus 60 plus 60. That is 180 plus 40, that is 220. 60 into 3 plus 40 into 8. Similarly, AVN is nothing but, again we will go through this formula. We have to find out this distance, here to here this distance, here to here this distance, here to here this distance. Out of the total distance, half the diameter from here and half the diameter from here, that will give the, multiplied by the thickness, will give the value of AVN. You can see right from here that AVN can be calculated like this. This is 180, right from here to here it is 180 point something, multiplied by 8. So AVN is similar by ATG. Again we'll go for this. When we are supposed to find out the ATG gross area, right from this to the center into thickness, ATG, and neglecting the diameter, this distance multiplied by thickness will give the ATN. Now these values are known. Substituting these values in this formula, we can find out the two values for TDB1 and TDB2. The least of the two and the other two, that is TDG and TDN, as well as TDBN. Out of these are the three things, three parameters. Out of these three, which is the least, is the design strength in tension for an angle section for a given parameter. Thank you very much.